As reported by China EV Post, battery producers CATL and BYD saw significant growth in their installed battery base in the January to May period. According to data from SNE Research, CATL installed 86.2 gigawatt-hours of batteries in this period, a 59.6% increase from last year, securing the company's top position in the global power battery market with a 36.3% share. Meanwhile, BYD, benefiting from its competitive pricing and vertically integrated supply chain, installed 38.1 gigawatt-hours of power batteries, marking a 107.8% increase from 2020 and capturing 16.1% market share. Overall, the global battery consumption for electric vehicles grew 52.3% to 237.6 gigawatt-hours in this period compared to last year. SNE Research expects Chinese companies to continue growing and explore overseas markets in the face of a gradual slowdown in China's domestic growth. You are listening to Yuan News.